Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you into the world of monster trucks full of action and failures. This time, we bring you a compilation of monster truck fails that will surely entertain you. Monster truck fans already know how difficult it is to control these trucks in the arena full of challenges. From failed jumps to flipping over and damaging the truck, all of it happens in the monster truck arena. However, that's what makes it interesting and entertaining. In this video, you'll see the monster truck drivers struggling hard to control their trucks while jumping or hitting obstacles in the arena. But sometimes, failure is unavoidable. In this video, you'll see big trucks flipping over, wheels coming off, and engines failing in the middle of the action. However, don't get it wrong. These failures don't mean they're not skilled in driving monster trucks. On the contrary, these failures show how big the challenges are that they have to face in controlling these trucks in the arena. We hope this video entertains you and makes you appreciate the hard work and skills required to drive a monster truck. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video if you want to see more exciting content from us. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.
Oh my god, thank God Camden's okay. Cam, if you see this, you're the man! Dude, you know how to wreck one. Woo! Listen to the crowd. Woo! I call Camden.
Hari ini, kami akan membawa Anda ke dunia monster truck yang penuh dengan aksi dan kegagalan. Kali ini, kami menghadirkan kompilasi monster truck files yang pasti akan menghibur Anda. Para penggemar monster truck tentu sudah tahu betapa sulitnya mengendalikan truk tersebut di arena yang penuh tantangan. Dari lompatan yang gagal hingga terbalik dan merusak truk, semua hal itu terjadi di arena monster truck.
Who among you haven't subscribed yet? Come on, quickly hit the red button before I get angry.
Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you don't want my dad to get angry.